Hello student, now here we are in the next question number 7. So simplify and solve the following. So it means you have to first simplify the equation so that you can easily solve. So let's get started. So here 3 is there. After that t minus 3. So you have to do multiplication. So it is 3t minus 3 into 3 9 equal to 5 into 2 is 10t plus 5 into 1 is 5. Then after that whatever the variable term part is there, that you can take it in one side. So here 3t minus here 10t equal to number you can take it in other side, 5 as it is, and here it is plus 9. Got that? Then after this here minus 7t equals to 14. So it means t equals to 14 upon 7 minus sign. So t equals to 7 to the 14. So it is minus 2. So finally we solve that easily. Now we will go to the 8th one. Again multiplication is there. 15y minus 15 into 4 60 minus 2y minus minus plus 9 into 2 18 plus 5y plus 5 into 6 30 equals to 0. So whichever the variable term part is there, that you can take it in, that you can take it nearer so that you can easily solve. Here minus 2y plus 5y. Then after that you write rest of the number. So the calculation will be easy. So minus 60, then I am writing plus 30 and then remaining plus 18. After that you can easily solve 15y, 5y means 20y minus 2y. Means 18y minus 60 plus 30 is minus 30 plus remaining number 18 equals to 0. 18y as it is, so here minus 12, 30 minus 80 minus 12 equals to 0. So 18y equals to 12 and y equals to 12 upon 18. Both the number are divisible by 6, so 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18. So y is 2 upon 3. So we solve this easily. After this we will go to the next question. So here we are in the next question, and here you do the multiplication as usual we did in the previous question. So 5 into 3 is 15z minus 7 into 3 is 21. Here minus 9 into 2 is 18z minus here minus minus plus, and here 11 into 2 is 22. 8 into 4 32z. Here minus sign will be there. 13 into 4 is 52 minus 17 as it is. So whatever the variable terms are there, you can take it in nearer. You can take nearer. So 15z, here it is minus 18z. Third one is present in that side, so we change the side. So 32z equals to, write numbers, minus 52 minus 17. Here it will become plus 21. Here it will become minus 22. Now we can easily solve. So here minus 3z will be there. So 15 minus 18 is minus 3. And minus 3 minus 32 is minus 35z. And here minus minus means you have to do their addition. 7 and 2 is 9, 5 and 1 is 6, and minus sign, plus 21 minus 22. So minus 35z equals to, here 21 is there, minus 22 is there, so 69 minus 1, it is minus 70 and minus 35z. So it means here minus minus get cancelled, so 70 upon 35. So it means z equals to 2. This is the answer. Going for the 10th one may be difficult for you because your decimal point is there. So what you do simply you do multiplication first. 4 into 25 100. Then after 2 number point is there. Here there is no point. Write f as it is, minus 25 into 3 is 75. After 2 number point is there, so it is 0.75. 5 into 10 is 50. After 2 number point is there, so it is 0.50 f minus 9 into 5 45, and here after 2 number point is there, so in this way we solve it easily. Then here 1.00 f means it is nothing but 1 f, and here f is there, so that number you change it in this side, so 0.50 f equals to minus 0.45, this number will come this side, so plus 0.75. Finally you solve this 1. So whenever you solve that, after 1 you can write the 0, 1.00, it is nothing but 1, and here it is 0.50. So you do subtraction, 0 as it is, 10 minus 5 is 5 here, then 0 minus 0, so the answer is 0.50 f, sign of greater number. Here in the second part you have to do subtraction, so 0.75 minus, because it's a bigger number, 0.45, 550, and here 7 minus 4, it is 30, 0 as it is, so it is what, minus point, here point is there, it means 0.30, so you have to give their point carefully, and here it is not minus, sign of greater number means it is plus 0.30, it means it is nothing but 0.30. So once again I am writing this, so 0.50 f equals to nothing but 0.30, so f equal to here 0.30 and downside 0.50. So here what happened, it can be written as 30 into 100, it can be written as 50 into 100. So why I am doing like that, so here 30, 0.30, so 0.30 means what, friend? Whenever you do the calculation, 0.30, it is nothing but 30 upon 100, okay, and here 0.50, it is nothing but 50 upon 100, so that's why here I am doing the multiplication with 100, because I want to remove the point, or without that also you can solve. So here 100 gets cancelled, here 30 upon 50, 0 is get cancelled, finally it is 3 upon 5. So f value is 3 upon 5. This is our answer. And in this question I suggest you, if you are weak in the decimal point calculation, then you have to practice in rough, so that you will not have any confusion, or you just comment me, I will help you. Thanks for watching this. Thank you.